Imagine celebrating decades of love, not just with a dinner, but with an extraordinary journey that reflects your unique story. Milestone anniversaries like your 25th, 30th, 40th, or 50th deserve more than just a celebration. They deserve an unforgettable experience. At vacationtouradvisor.com, we believe these moments should be cherished. They should be transformed into memories that last a lifetime. Cruises offer the perfect blend of romance, relaxation, and adventure, making them ideal for marking your enduring love. With all-inclusive luxury, you'll enjoy gourmet dining at up to 10 venues, from casual bites to elegant multi-course meals. Nightly entertainment, from Broadway-style shows to live music, ensures every evening is filled with delight. Indulge in rejuvenating spa treatments, offering packages from $200 to $500 for ultimate relaxation. And the best part, no daily repacking across 7 to 14 night itineraries, visiting 5 to 10 breathtaking ports. Experience the intimacy of romantic balcony cabins, a premium upgrade ranging from $500 to $1,500 per night. Imagine sunset champagne toasts, couples massages, and private shore excursions tailored just for you. For unparalleled luxury, consider luxury ocean cruises like Silversea or Regent Seven Seas, offering butler service and intimate settings for 540 to 708 passengers. Fares typically range from $4,000 to $10,000 per person for 10 to 12 nights, providing an exquisite experience. Premium ocean lines like Celebrity Edge offer innovative features such as infinite verandas, with 7-night cruises starting from $2,500 per person. River cruises with Viking or Amma waterways on the Danube or Rhine provide a unique perspective, passing over 50 castles on 8 to 15-day journeys. These intimate voyages, with around 190 passengers, range from $3,500 to $7,000 per person. For sun-drenched escapes, Caribbean cruises on Royal Caribbean or Norwegian offer 7-night trips from $1,800 per person, visiting vibrant ports like St. Martin and Cozumel. European itineraries with MSC or Princess explore the Mediterranean for 10 nights, priced from $2,000 to $5,000 per person. The Mediterranean, from June to October, offers breathtaking sunsets in Santorini, scenic drives along the Amalfi Coast, and romantic gondola rides in Venice. For tropical bliss, the Caribbean from November to April boasts average temperatures of 80 degrees Fahrenheit and private island beaches like Perfect Day at Coco Cay. And for a cooler adventure, Alaska, from May to September, offers stunning inside passage views, Hubbard Glacier calving, and incredible whale watching. Personalize your anniversary cruise by upgrading to spacious suites ranging from 200 to 1,500 square feet, with premium starting at $1,000. Book renewal of vows ceremonies, often free on many lines, or enjoy themed dinners like special lobster nights. Enhance your journey with unique excursions, such as a hot air balloon ride over Cappadocia for around $300 per couple. Capture every moment with onboard photographers, creating beautiful albums to cherish forever. Plan 12 to 18 months ahead for peak dates, especially for significant alignments like a 25th anniversary in May 2027. Utilize flexible booking options like no-fee changes when available for peace of mind. Consider your mobility needs with elevators and tenders, and health requirements for international travel. Budget wisely, allocate 60% for cruise fare, 20% for excursions, 10% for gratuities around $16 per day per person, and 10% for airfare. Save 20 to 30% by traveling during shoulder seasons, offering the same incredible experiences at a lower cost. VacationTourAdvisor.com provides expert guidance. Our advisors offer custom itineraries and complimentary consultations, transforming trips into unforgettable experiences. And with certifications from a wide range of oceans and river cruise lines, we will work to secure exclusive benefits to enhance your trip. Ready to plan your unforgettable anniversary cruise? Call us at 757-548891 or visit vacationtouradvisor.com. Schedule your complimentary consultation today by using the link below to schedule your 30-minute complimentary consultation. Let us help you celebrate your love story.